Well, I was literally just fixing to pull out of the driveway and came out here and it starts drizzling. So right now it's really light, so I'm debating going out on it, but literally just started up as I walked in the garage and was about to go out for a ride. So that's awesome. I guess in the meantime we can go ahead and get some sick shots of the KLX back there. So let's go ahead and roll that. Alright, well, welcome back everybody. As you can see, we are on the bike. It has kinda-ish stopped raining, and by that I mean it is slightly still drizzling, but we're just gonna send it. So I guess today is gonna be turning into a little rainy day ride on the KLX, which I can get down with. We're just rolling up to a little local spot, a fun little local spot. It's not big, but I have like a little loop there that it's a fun little spot. So we're gonna go there. I think I've been there in a few videos before, but I haven't really stuck around this spot. Oh yeah, gonna be getting a little mud ride on the KLX. I haven't really taken her in like some straight up mud. I mean, it's only been raining for like an hour or two, so we'll see how it is out there, but I'm down to get her muddy. Yeah, and I'm gonna try to keep wiping the lens off and keep her clean here for you guys, but we'll see how that works. What's good? Y'all riding back there?
You be riding back there?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all shit's street legal though.
Yeah. Oh shit, he's nice with it. Huh? Yeah, I can wheelie. I ain't him though, he was dropping it back far. He was dropping it back far. Just pulled up to the spot and there's some other people here. Hell yeah. Woo! He's killing it with the knee knocker over there. It's wet out. I ain't gonna be doing nothing like that. I'm gonna go beside you, get a clip. I'm gonna go beside you, get a clip of you. Okay. Woo! Hey! Woo! He's killing it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna head back there for a minute, but I'll pop back out. Holy cow, it's slick out here when it's wet, especially with these. Woo! Especially with these not so great tires. That's funny though, I was just thinking how I like really don't see people out here anymore, and I used to see him out here. I don't know, it was probably 2 years ago now, maybe a year ago. Woo! Woo! Slick boy. But yeah, I ordered some new boots and I'm hype on that. Just ordered them today. I'm hype on that. They're the Alpine Star Belize boots, so they're like more of a, they look like a dual sport style boot to me. It's like it comes up halfway up your calf instead of like my motocross boot that just covers your full calf, which I could wear around on the dual sport, but holy shit. But it doesn't really fit the riding style on the dual sport. Like, I'm not going to throw those on every time I hop on the dual sport, which is a lot. So I'll link those in the description if y'all want to check them out. But they're not cheap. But as I was saying in some of my last videos, Alpine Star stuff I really do like. They have good quality stuff. Need a little sponsorship from Alpine Stars. What y'all think? Should we do a little mudding on the KLX? Let's go through this deep hole. Woo! Holy shoot! What about this hole? I'm gonna get out my big camera and get a clip of that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wish I had someone to actually record it, but this should work. Woo! But if it gets too wet, it's definitely a little slick and you're just kind of trying to keep yourself up. But let's try it. Here we go. Woo! A little local loop. Oh yeah. Well, almost. Oh! Oh my god. Holy. Whoa. Okay. Well, that just happened. Well, I was about to say there's a full loop on our little loop track, local loop track. You just go down that and repeat. But went into a tree. So luckily that wasn't a solid tree. And there's one other part of the loop where you can start right here and go woo. Whoa, a lot of roots. I'm telling y'all, when you get some, once you start to get some lines worked in, this wet stuff really is not so bad. Except for these roots. These will frick you over. This berm is always fun once it starts developing. Woo! But yeah, you get the point. There's the second loop. And sometimes we'll join the two together, and it's kind of like you do, we'll go ahead and just do one. You finish one loop on this guy, and then instead of going that way, you come back this way. Woo! And head for that other loop. Sometimes it takes me a minute to remember where that is. Well, this one's even worse off than the other one, but whoop. Man, this thing's barking right now, though, I'll tell you. As I slide off, it's like ice right here. There we go. Oh, sick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well. Whew. Whew. Well, I think that was bound to happen, but I might wrap it up there. I gotta have to clean this off. My gloves are toasted for right now. Peg, there we go. Oh yeah. Let's give a little look over the bike. It actually washed off from, it was muddier earlier. It actually washed off from all the rain and going through the puddles. So still real dirty. I'm gonna get this girl home and get her washed up. But yeah, I am definitely a mess and all my gear is soaked. So I think I'm gonna call it here for today. It was a fun little, I had fun though. It was a good little mud rip. It's fun to get out in the mud sometimes. Thankfully, I'm all good. But anyways, I'm gonna close out this video, guys. Levers for the KLX, I'll link in the description below. It looks like my, oh yeah, I might have tweaked my handlebars. Shit. Gonna have to fix that as well. But levers are in the description. I'll link these in the description for you guys. It looks like they seem to have held up just fine on that wipeout. But be sure to leave a like, guys. I think I earned it this one. I smashed into a tree and pretty much just ice skated and slid out there. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe if you're not already. We post about 3 videos a week. What is this, a freaking big old bullet? And leave a comment and let me know if you enjoyed the video. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.